Welcome to Quotation Factory. In this tour, you will see how projects move through the entire procurement lifecycle, from initial setup to confirmed sales order. Every transition generates the right business documents automatically. No manual paperwork, no missed steps. Complete traceability from first quote to final order. This status bar is your project command center. 5 states, left to right, mapping directly to the Universal Business Language Procurement Cycle. Each transition can auto-generate standardized documents. Request for quotation, quotation, sales order. Your entire quote-to-order process, standardized and automated. Every project starts here, in the defining state. This is where you upload CAD files, set materials, add working steps, and build your bill of materials. Think of it as the preparation phase. No formal documents yet, just getting the project ready for pricing. When the BOM is complete, the project moves to requested. This triggers a UBL request for quotation, automatically generated, standards compliant, ready for your quoting team or external suppliers. One click replaces what used to be a manual RFQ process. Now the pricing engine takes over. Cost calculations, margins, surcharges, all applied in the quoting phase. Your sales team reviews the numbers, adjusts where needed, and can even outsource working steps to suppliers with built-in price requests. Full control over your margins. Moving to quoted generates 3 documents automatically: a buyer quotation, a seller quotation with embedded step files, and a manufacturing BOM with full working step details. Your quotation PDF is ready to send to the customer via the portal or download. Professional documents, 0 manual formatting. The customer accepted. This is now a confirmed sales order, ready for ERP export and production planning. The full procurement cycle is complete, with every step documented and traceable, from first upload to confirmed order, all in one system. Sometimes plans change. To cancel a project, open this context menu in the project header. Quotation Factory gives you full control over the project lifecycle, including the ability to stop a project at any stage. Select Cancel Order to close the project permanently. This works from any state in the lifecycle. Cancelled projects are preserved for reference but cannot be reactivated, keeping your active project list clean and accurate. That is the complete project lifecycle in Quotation Factory. 5 clear states, automatic document generation at every key transition, and full UBL compliance built in. Your team no longer manages paperwork, they manage business. Faster quotes, traceable orders, standardized documents. That is Quotation Factory.